Släpper jag tillsammans här till Rc-Xtreme down the gravel pit. Been a while since last bash, and it's been raining quite a lot, so it's a bit wet down here. And finally with the Traxxas XMAXX 8S, which are shooted with a lot of WFO goodies, especially the all new titanium CVDs on all four corners. Their Motormount, ESC mount, sleeves for the outdrives, running the Thunderoos fan, the 18K, and of course the big bores, the 1.5 mod one. I think I'm running 3325. The motor is a 950 Leopard 58110 V2 motor, and a Ripper Killer cap pack. So yeah, so if we can do some kind of bashing down here. A lot of water down there, but such is life. Aha.